Hello and welcome to a new Allegro Network Multimeter webcast. My name is Klaus Degner and I'm Managing Director of Allegro Packets. Today, I would like to show you how easy it is to use our new GPS capture cards. First of all, we have developed in the last year the feature to support hardware packet-based timestamps that allow you to get nanosecond resolution. It's very easy to use this feature for the network cards that we support. All you have to do is you have to go to export settings and then just select use hardware packet timestamping. It's right now working on our Quad 25G and the dual 100 gig card. And we now have also the Quad 25 gig and the dual 100 gig card available with a GPS extension module. The advantage of hardware timestamps, hardware packet timestamps is first that you get a relative accuracy of at least 10 nanoseconds, which is a super low time period. As a comparison, the random memory access for the CPU is roughly 50 to 60 nanoseconds. So it's below accessing memory over the mainboard. By that resolution, you can see if packets are received by the Allegro, what is the relative delta between them. We see many customer installations where the problem is measure this quality between A and B, or where we need absolute time precision. Use cases could be in 5G networks, in automotive, factory world, in financing, everywhere, or even for the path measurement, to measure one-way delays. So to do that, it's very simple to use that with the Allegro. All you have to do is you have to have a GPS card. Then you just set the time synchronization of the Allegro to global navigation satellite systems or GPS, and you can add the cable delay for the antenna, because the antenna has to transport the signal. So here we have a 5-meter cable, so we use 25 nanoseconds delay on the cable. Once that's saved, the card will synchronize all network cards in the Allegro, and we output right now do we have a valid time? Do we see tracked satellites? So we are seeing right now 8 satellites, which means now this card is synced to the GPS time. And now we can see within the system how good is the synchronization between this card and all the other nanosecond precision timestamping cards. If this difference is too big and you need many network cards, we can sync them also over a PPS cable. But right now, this card is synced, the link is there, and what I can show you now is that whenever you do a capture, so let's do here a small PCAP capture of some traffic on that port, you can see now that if you see the relative time in Wireshark or WebShark or on the PCAP, you see here 9 digits, so it's nanosecond resolution. If you use the absolute time, then yes, you see the very, very accurate timestamp. So it's a very simple feature. It's integrated. If the timestamp is there, it's used for all calculations. So if you calculate some TCP delay, we will use a nanosecond timestamp. And well, it's a good extension for the Allegro. So the GPS cards are working in almost all Allegro modules. The only restriction is that we need a full profile card here. So it doesn't fit in the 1000 chassis. It fits in the 1200 chassis. And it's backward compatible. So if you already have an Allegro, you can install these cards also, even if it's an older generation device. Well, thank you for watching this webcast, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned. We will have more webcasts in the future.